coffee, gotta get a button coming down. I went long here. Good morning. I have not done a vlog in a long time, so we're doing one today. But welcome back. Welcome to another vlog. Here we go. I gotta get out of the house. One, because I have a dentist appointment. And then my cleaners are coming. You'll see how atrocious my house is. That's what I got planned. I'll try to do a little bit of trading at the coffee shop. My puppy is at obedience training, so I don't get puppy snuggles in the morning. Okay, let's get up. Let's make some breakfast and some coffee. And then let's get out of here. It's a rainy day today, and I'm loving it. I love me a good rainy day. But wow. Alright, let's do it. We got a snuggly rainy day. Alright, my house is absolutely atrocious. It's just yikes. That is me shopping for New York. You guys don't know. I have decided to live in New York for the rest of the year. I am so excited. I decided that I want to go live in New York for the rest of the year. So I move in to a new apartment in just a few days. So I actually got to do some planning today. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I got to go soon. All right. I'm making some coffee. I don't have time to cook breakfast, so I'm just gonna heat up a breakfast. Let's do it. Okay, if you guys have not heard of Factor meals, they are quite delicious, and it only takes 2 minutes to heat up. One of my favorite Factor meals, oh yeah, we're doing blueberry pancakes, baby. Let's go, blueberry pancakes. So, they're never frozen. These were prepared by a chef. There's no prep, there's no mess. And the best part is 2 minutes. That is all it takes. So, let me get that popped in the microwave and get a coffee going. It's just perfect. Like, I'm running late. I don't have time to make eggs. And this is absolutely the best way to do it. And then it's cool just to know the nutritional facts. I'm making blueberry pancakes. It's with cinnamon butter and chicken sausage. But then you can just see like calories and the protein that I'm getting out of this. The protein is what I love. So we got 23 grams of protein in this bad boy. I'm always looking for as much protein as we can get. All right, I'm gonna make some coffee while this is heating up.
All right, guys, so don't forget to head to factor75.com or click the link below to use code TORITRADES50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and 20% off your next month of orders. That's code TORITRADES50 at factor75.com to get 50% off of your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders.
All right, my friends, we got blueberry pancakes and chicken sausage waffles. That's wrong. We got blueberry pancakes and chicken sausage. And a coffee, which I probably got to get out of here in like 10 minutes. So I got to scarf this food down. That was probably way too much. Do this with a knife. All right, let's do it. That cinnamon butter. Get a little syrup on the sausage. Can't go wrong with breakfast. All right, now we gotta go. All right, let's go. We are ready to go. I have 15 minutes to get there. All right, let's go. I gotta catch you guys up. I sold my car. Porsche is gone. Right now I'm just temporarily driving Mercedes. I'm not gonna need a car when I'm in New York for the rest of the year. So I can figure out what new car I wanna get when I get back, which will be next year. But yeah, no more Porsche Macan GTS. Now the world is my oyster. I could get any car I want. Kinda, not really. Obviously I would love to get a GT3 RS, but that's not in the cards right now. It's not a smart move. All right, here we go to the dentist office. This would be a crazy place to buy. It's $4 million and it's called the Welch Library. It looks so creepy. I'm texting my assistant Taylor to see if we've got flights good to go for New York. I'm taking my puppy with me, so I gotta make sure he can fly. I gotta get a puppy carrier. I really gotta start packing probably today. All right, guys, see you after. Okay, so I am numb. Can't feel nothing. My tongue, it feels like it's just hanging around. Just hanging them around. Alright, well, they're really good at numbing, so it didn't feel nothing. Now I think I'll just go to the coffee shop and do some work because my cleaner is going to be at my house for a minute. She told me it's not that bad, but I said, you gotta be sweet. I know it's atrocious. I'm looking at the market. I'm having such interesting... I think it's FOMO, a lot of pressure, but platinum is coming back up. Let me show you. So I could have made up my loss if I had taken the entry for platinum, but maybe I just wasn't convinced. So platinum crossed that downward red line. I know it might look backwards because it's in selfie mode, but platinum was coming down and then it broke this little short downward trend that was following along, and then it's coming up now. I could have taken a long position and made the loss back, but I guess I just wasn't convinced that it was coming back up. So I'm gonna delete this steeper line and wait for my OG line. So it looks like it's getting into this little wedge. I'll wait to see if it can break out of one of these. Crude is tossing everybody around. It's faking everyone out in either direction. It faked everyone out on the short move with that insane wick down there, then retraced all the way back up, hit the 72.21, and then it's coming back down from there as well. I'm feeling hesitant on entering crude, but since it is so snappy in either direction, I feel like it's finally going to make a move. In which direction though, I got to figure out. If we're coming down, it just might be too high risk. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep watching it. I don't know if I want to get into crude. I don't know what my next trade is going to be. It'll be between crude and platinum. Probably more likely platinum than crude. We'll see. But that's what I'm looking at right now. All right, let's go to the coffee shop. All right, I had to drink my coffee out of a straw this morning because, we're numb. I'm getting some work done. My sister's FaceTiming me. I'm wondering what to do about platinum right now. I almost need to punish myself for wanting to get into a trade so badly. I'm looking for any reason. Give me a reason. I don't even need one. I'll make one up. And I think maybe I just need to take a break for the rest of the month. I've got all of October, I've got all of November, and I've got all of December. I got plenty of time to hit my goal. Why do I need to do it right now? I don't. I'm gonna be incredibly cautious of what's going on up here because something ain't right. I can't wait to see the house clean. I can't wait to start packing for New York. Oh, I'm so excited for New York. Oh my gosh. I'm terrified also. It's a very scary thing. Moving to New York. What? Little old Southern Peach Tori in big city? Country girl turned city girl. I don't know. I used to live in LA, but I lived in LA for a long time, quite a few years, and I lived in San Diego for a really long time, also quite a few years. I feel like I was in California for most of my 20s, to be honest. Also, I'm finally tingly instead of numb, so I can feel my face now. I'll see you guys at the house. Here we are in the garage. I've got a lot of content that I have to upload. So since this video, I can talk about it now since this video will probably be posted after the fact. Finally, I can talk about it. I did a podcast with my uncle and you've probably already seen it by now. And it has been a long time coming. Man, his daughter convinced him to do it. I couldn't do it alone. If it wasn't for Lauren really just pushing him to do it, it wouldn't have happened. So thank you, Lauren, for convincing your dad to do the pod with us. It was great. He did awesome, and I think we were great hosts, made him super comfortable. He's a natural, obviously. Just the other night, I had to record the introduction for the podcast. Actually, it was last night. I recorded the intro for it. So when I get home, I need to upload all of the content that I recorded last night. And man, we've got some work to do. We got to get people hyped up. We got to get curious. Twitter posts, story posts, a few reels. You guys have already seen it all by now, but this is kind of the behind the scenes stuff of what the process looks like. So that's what my team's working on. I've got to upload all the content I recorded last night, and we'll be working on the launch of it pretty soon. All right, I'm gonna head upstairs and just enjoy and sit in my amazingly clean house. I can focus so much better when my house is clean. It's the greatest. I can think clearly. I want to be home. Usually when my house is messy, I don't want to be anywhere near my house. I would love to be anywhere but. So I'm excited to be home and start working. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make a lunch. We'll do a quick little factor meal because I don't feel like cooking. So it's helpful when you ain't got the time or the energy. All right, let's get inside. All right, time to eat. Now we're just gonna see. Smoky tofu and baked beans.
Ooh, and mac and cheese. Consider it done. Let's go. Yup. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna pop this puppy in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that is lunch, my friends. All right. Now, I would usually present this on a beautiful plate, but the dishes have been done, and who am I to dirty another dish? So, I'm gonna eat it straight out the container. That mac and cheese dough. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, I am working on uploading content right now. I got a team meeting in like 10 minutes, and that's it. That's all I got going on. All right, got the team call here. Hello. It's been hours. I'm still working on the same thing. I'm just trying to upload content. I'm also getting sick. I can feel it. I feel yucky. I got really hot. I mean, maybe that's just also because the AC in my apartment doesn't work that well. I've been watching Gossip Girl, so maybe that's been a little distracting on me trying to get my work done. Platinum is driving me insane. What? Look at that. That insane move. What is this? That's what I was looking for over here. I went long here. It didn't work out. I closed with a loss. I could have tried this long again, but I didn't. I'm frustrated with Platinum. I'm frustrated with trading right now. What an incredible move. If I get in now with this double confirmation, it just feels like it's late. I missed the move. It's gone. It's been had. That was an insane move. If it doesn't work, that's too high risk. I'm just annoyed. But that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. I'm still continuing to work. I haven't left this couch. I'm watching Gossip Girl. I'm fantasizing. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. That's just what I do. I fantasize and I obsess over things and I get myself hyped up and excited. I'm really excited about moving to New York. Whoa, I can't believe I'm doing it. It's terrifying. It's terrifying and exciting. So watching Gossip Girl is making me continue to obsess over New York. The Upper East Side girls and their rich daddies and where they go to get brunch. I don't know why I'm talking in a whatever. I really like to create a main character scenario syndrome in my head about things. It's the Leo in me. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna continue to work on this couch. I want to figure out how I'm feeling or what's going on with Platinum right now. I'm wondering if I get the break. I already got the break of this 989.6 level that it's just been hanging out at. I'm about to get the break of this downward trend line, but it's too high risk. I know that. I think I just need to pump the brakes. I need to just take a minute, let this move pass, even if it's the one. But the analysis that I did, taking that first entry, I'm just not able to let it go. Like, okay, that wasn't it. This might be it, and it's okay. I'm working through it. It's a tough one. I mean, looking at Platinum on the daily and the amount of time that it has spent above this 989.6, it's spent a lot of time above it. It wants to be above this level. Yes, this year, it's been hanging out in this range between 913, 954, 989, and it's been bouncing in between for a while, but the amount of time that it's spent over years worth of data, it wants to be above this 989. I don't know. I'm just working through this. I'm struggling through this one. I think I'm going to end it here. I did order DoorDash. I'm still watching Gossip Girl. It's still storming outside. It's still raining. I really got to start packing for New York. Maybe, since today was so uneventful, maybe I'll vlog a second day in a row and then maybe something cool happens tomorrow. I don't know. Or maybe not. In case I keep going, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.